Hi, this is David, and I'm going to help you with pare-brise today. So let's start with the first half of the word, pare. So we're going to say pa, and then we're going to close down with our soft palate, pare. And if you don't know about closing down with your soft palate, or if that's new to you, look among my other videos. Pare. And then for the second part, I want you to forget about the B for a second. And let's go from pare to the rise. So pare-brise. So for the rise, I'm pushing down with my soft palate and then making the ease sound. Pare-brise. So I'm pushing down twice with my soft palate. Pare-brise. And now what I'm going to do to finish up the word is I'm just going to bring my lips together for the B, where the B should be. Pare-brise. And now you can hear I'm speeding it up a little bit. Pare-brise. Hopefully that helps. Have a good day.